Khang Nung, a name that once carried nearly 150 pounds more weight, now symbolizes a tale of resilience, determination, and unyielding spirit. His journey toward transformation wasn't just a physical metamorphosis, it was a testament to the strength of the human will and the power of a supportive community. The beginning. It all began in October 2012 when Khang, with a desire to redefine himself, stepped into his local gym. The decision stemmed from a deep-rooted commitment to make his parents proud, but it was also a personal vow to safeguard his future health. He recognized the impending risks associated with his heaviest weight and made a conscious choice. It was now or never. Milestones of triumph. The journey wasn't a sprint but a series of milestones, each a testament to Khang's unwavering dedication. He recalls the moment when he took charge, shedding 50 pounds through sheer determination. However, the real turning point came when he met Coach T.Chan in mid-April of 2014. With guidance and support, Khang broke through the 250-pound barrier, surging down to a leaner 200 pounds. But it wasn't just the numbers, it was the ripple effect of his progress. Khang's transformation wasn't unnoticed. It became a beacon of inspiration for everyone around him. People saw his journey as a catalyst for their own healthier lifestyles. His determination became contagious, spreading like wildfire, igniting motivation in others. The crucial support. Khang acknowledges that behind every triumph stood a support system. His family and friends were his unwavering pillars, constantly reinforcing the belief that he could achieve what he set his mind to. Coach T.Chan's relentless dedication and expertise were pivotal in breaking plateaus and crafting effective diet plans. Then there was the Iron Saiyanz, his gym comrades. They formed a community bonded by a shared pursuit of self-improvement. They were more than gym buddies, they were a source of encouragement, pushing each other to surpass limits. Dealing with doubt. In the realm of transformation, doubt and skepticism often linger. Khang faced his fair share of doubters and haters. Yet, he adopted a perspective that transformed negativity into motivation. Their words fueled his fire, propelling him forward. In the end, those who once doubted ended up apologizing, witnessing firsthand the seemingly impossible becoming a reality. The unfinished journey. While Khang has achieved incredible milestones, his journey isn't over. He continues to strive for a weight that aligns with his vision of 5% body fat. It's a testament to his relentless pursuit of self-improvement, a reminder that transformation isn't confined to a specific goal, but is a lifelong commitment to personal growth. The lessons to embrace. Khang's journey is not just a narrative, it's a roadmap filled with invaluable lessons. 1. Resilience triumphs over circumstances. Khang's transformation exemplifies that the human spirit can conquer any challenge with unwavering determination. 2. Community and support fuel success. Behind every individual's triumph stands a network of supporters. Surrounding oneself with positivity and encouragement is vital. 3. Transforming doubt into fuel. Doubt and negativity are inevitable, but they can be potent sources of motivation if channeled correctly. 4. The journey never truly ends. True transformation is a continuous process of growth, not merely a destination to reach. Khang Nung's story echoes far beyond weight loss. It's a saga of relentless determination, the power of support, and the resilience to rewrite one's narrative. His journey embodies the truth that with unwavering commitment, impossible is just a word waiting to be redefined. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more motivational and inspirational stories.